how to treat dry, chapped and flaky lips at home.
Ever wondered that how you can prepare a natural lip care products at home? Yes, you can. With a 0 rupees cost with the things that you already have in your kitchen. Lip balm that nourishes the lip serum that heals the lip mask for the overnight repair and hydration that you need.
All you need to do is get these lip balm tubes. This is the only investment you're gonna make, and trust me, it's worth it. I will leave the link in the description box for the lip gloss tube. Once you get the tubes, rinse them in soap water and dry it. Now it's time to pour our secret ingredients. First, I'm making all natural chemical free lip balm. Remove the stopper and start filling it in. Make sure to use A2 cow ghee for your lips to get benefited from it. Once the tube is 80% filled, put back the stopper and close the tube. Ghee instantly moisturizes and nourishes the flaky skin. The healthy fat in ghee helps the skin to stay lubricated and hydrated for a longer time. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture, keeping your lips hydrated overnight. Use honey as your overnight lip mask. Coconut oil is an emollient. Emollients are non-cosmetic moisturizer that keeps the skin moist. Lauric acid in coconut oil has nourishing properties to heal dry and chapped lips. These 100% natural chemical-free lip products can be used by both men and women. If you have any doubts regarding this, do let me know in the comment section. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Deepti signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.